What's up, you guys? Welcome back. I cannot even tell you guys how excited I am to be saying those words and sitting down and chatting with you. By the time I upload this video, it might be like almost 3 weeks since I uploaded my last video, which I cannot even tell you. When I check my YouTube and see that it says like 14 days ago, 15 days ago, I get so upset. Like there's nothing that I love more than filming and chatting with you guys, but I've had a lot going on. Life has been a little bit crazy. That's no excuse. More videos are coming, but I felt like first I need to sit down, chit chat with you guys, give y'all a life update, let y'all in on what's been going on. So then the new videos about makeup and everything else can keep coming and rolling in. Obviously you see my background is a little bit different. This is very much a makeshift background. We're gonna get into everything today. I just can't wait to hang out with you guys and chat. If you guys are getting ready for the day, grab your makeup and get ready with me because I'm just gonna do a very simple kind of makeup look. But without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. I need some foundation desperately. I have not done my makeup full out in like a week plus, I think now, which for me, that's a long time. Like makeup is my love and everything, but again, a lot's been going on. I'm gonna be using the new Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. If you know Estee Lauder Double Wear, you know it's been around for a while, but they recently reformulated it and it's so good. You can get this at Belk. I wanna thank them so much for partnering with me on today's video. They have a ton of amazing makeup there, including Estee Lauder. And I'm telling you, you will fall in love with this foundation. I always loved the Estee Lauder Double Wear, like the original, and then when I saw they reformulated it, I was a little bit nervous because you never know. It's like if it's not broke, don't fix it, but it is so beautiful and has like reinvigorated my love for it. I'm also obsessed with this brush from Estee Lauder because it's like a flat brush on one side that you can use to apply the foundation, and then there's a sponge in the other that you can use to really blend. So I like to like kind of put it all on first, and then I'll go in with the sponge side to kind of pounce and just make sure there's no harsh lines. But this foundation gives the most insane coverage, like evens the skin tone, makes everything look beautiful, but still somehow looks like skin, like doesn't feel cakey or dry or like heavy on the skin. It is a matte finish, but it still feels hydrating. It is not gonna leave you dry. I am a dry skin girly, so sometimes matte foundations can be a bit scary for me, but you do not have to worry with this one. And it comes in 57 different shades, so there should hopefully be a shade for everybody. I am using shade 2C4. This is Ivory Rose. I did self-tan last night, so I probably could go like a smidge darker on my shade, but with 57 different shades, you have options. So I will link Estee Lauder Double Wear down below, as well as all the other Estee products we use in today's video from Belk down below in the description box. So you guys can click there to shop and check it out. Okay, now without further ado, let's jump into some of these life updates. Honestly, if the only place you guys watch me is on YouTube, you may be shocked to hear that we moved. I mean, obviously the new background probably you kind of felt it. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably saw this from like a mile away. Just because Instagram's easier to share more about like your daily life on than YouTube is, because I can just share like quick little stories throughout the day and stuff, or like when we're traveling, where YouTube, I try and keep it mostly just like to makeup and beauty content, less about my life, because this is where I started. This is where most of you guys found me from, and you found me from like learning about makeup. So I never wanted to like steer far away from that, but I share a little bit more about like my life and travel and like stuff like that on Instagram. Anyways, so yes, we did move. I'll give you a minute. Comment down below in the description box where y'all think we moved to. Okay, before I say it, drum roll, comment where you think we moved. If you guessed Florida, you would be correct. Shocking, another person from New Jersey moving to Florida. I know, okay? Now this is not going to be a New Jersey slander video. I love New Jersey. I was born and raised in New Jersey. I lived there my entire life, went to college there. Same thing with Steven. Like, I love New Jersey. There are so many incredible things about that state, but this is literally something that has been years in the making. Like, I don't like to talk about things until they're signed, sealed, delivered. Like, I'm here in the new house and now I'm talking about it. But me and Steven were supposed to move to Florida before Carter was even here, before Carter was even a thought. We were supposed to move. We were actually supposed to move out of New Jersey to a warmer weather state, whether it be Los Angeles, Arizona, or Florida, many different times over the past 17 years that we have been together. And for various reasons, we always ended up staying in New Jersey. Like there was just like a variety of different things that kind of kept us there. And we finally got to the point where we were ready to go, at least some of the time. So we'll get into that in a second. But yeah, this was not a decision that we took lightly. Again, this is something that we have literally been planning for, talking about for a very, very, very long time. There are so many wonderful things about New Jersey, but the weather is not one of them. And that is really the reason that we moved. I could not do 8 months of cold and gray. Gray, that's almost the worst part of it all. Like, I don't even mind snow all that much, although this year in New Jersey, we've gotten so much more snow than years prior. Like, we got like over 30 or 40 inches, I think, which is like, that's a lot more than we normally get. I don't even mind the snow all that much. It's just the endless days of being trapped inside, and for weeks, sometimes I feel like the sun does not shine. Like, it's just gray and cold. And we just really wanted to live somewhere where we could be outside more often. Okay, I am obsessed with this blush. This is the Estee Lauder blush in Across the Dance Floor. It's the Dewy Cheek Tint. I'm gonna add even more. It's like that perfect little sunburnty like tan. Looks so pretty. And yes, I know it gets very hot in Florida in the summer. I have actually like been coming to Florida my whole life. So this has always basically been a second home to me. Same thing for Steven too. Like, we both have family that live here, love it down here, been coming here quite literally all the time. And yeah, it's just always been a place that's like a second home to me. So I do know that it gets hot here in the summer, but our plan is essentially to live in Florida for the majority of the year, and then we will live in New Jersey in the summer because we still do have friends and family there, of course, and like different responsibilities and stuff there. So we do still have our house in New Jersey because I know a lot of you guys watched our process of buying that house and renovating that house. We love our house. So we do still have it. You guys will still see us there from time to time. The timing ended up actually working out perfectly because we had a family friend that was in between houses. So they're actually house sitting for us there right now. And we'll still be there sometimes like in the summer and stuff. I think long-term, we will likely end up selling that house eventually and getting a smaller house in New Jersey. But we wanted to be fully settled down in Florida first before we did that. So that's more something like in the long term that we will look at, but there's no plans to sell it right now. We still have it. You guys will still see us there from time to time, and we'll kind of be going back and forth, just mainly in Florida and then New Jersey again, like I said, for the summer months, because I do love the summer in New Jersey. It's such a beautiful time there, and we can escape the Florida heat for a little bit. We were talking a little bit with our neighbors, and it seems like a lot of people do that down here. Like, they go somewhere else for the summer, but so far we have just truly been loving it. Like I said, this is literally like, if you know us personally in our personal life, like our family and friends and stuff, they have known we have wanted to do this for like literally so long. And just now that we are finally here, finally doing it, we're just so happy. And Carter is just like thriving. He loves to be outside. Like, the amount of times that kid has been in the pool, at the splash pad, to the beach, like, he loves it. And we can actually like go to the park and stuff. Like, in New Jersey, you can't even go to the park because there's so much snow and it's just so cold out. Like, so he has just been having the absolute time of his life, which makes me so happy. I'm not gonna be doing a house tour or anything like that of the house that we are in because we are in a rental house. So this is not permanent. You guys will likely see us move again at some point. I honestly don't know how long we will be here. Like, speaking as in the rental house, we wanted to rent at first just because there's so many different areas, and within every area, there's like 1,000,001 different communities. And we really like wanted to make sure that we knew exactly where we wanted to be and were able to make an educated decision when buying. So we decided to rent at first so we could kind of live down here, make sure A, that we like it, but also B, that we had the time to really go around and experience different areas, different communities, all that, and see exactly where it is that we wanted to be. So yeah, I'm not gonna be doing like a full house tour of this anyways, because we're not gonna be here long term. We will be here for at least 6 months, could be here for 2 years. Like, we can basically stay as long as we want until we figure out exactly where we wanna be. I'm not gonna be sharing like the exact area we're living in right now or anything like that. Again, I don't even know if this is exactly where we will end up long term, but we wanna be in the greater Miami area. We absolutely love Miami. If you don't know, we literally go there all the time. We got engaged there. I grew up going there. It is one of the best cities in the world, if not the best in my opinion. I absolutely love it. There's so much culture. It's so fun. Beautiful beaches, great restaurants. I personally love it. It's a lot more than just like South Beach, even though I love South Beach too. Like, if you've been to South Beach on a vacation or something, you certainly know that, but there's a lot more to Miami than just South Beach. And yeah, I love the city. So we don't want to be too far from there, especially with my work and stuff with events. There are events and stuff in Miami, so I need to be able to get there, and we want to live by a major airport, obviously. So we're going to be in the South Florida area, kind of looking all around. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. Let me know if home content is something that you guys want to see, because again, although I said I wouldn't do a full house tour, which honestly, when we end up buying a house down here, I don't know that I'll do a full house tour either. I never even did one in my old house. I just kind of showed you different parts of it. So you guys will end up seeing like different parts, but the rental that we have was unfurnished. We don't have any furniture. I literally have like this stuff behind me. We have a bed. We have all of Carter's stuff because obviously that was like priority to me. And I was like, me and Steven can sleep on a mattress on the floor. It'll be fine for right now. So we'll be getting furniture and stuff. At first, we're gonna rent furniture, but honestly, with the pricing and because we are looking to buy a house down here where we eventually will move, especially like certain pieces, like I'm of course gonna need a bed. We're of course gonna need a couch, like stuff like that. I'm not gonna be going crazy, but stuff I know that I'll be able to move into a new house that would fit pretty much anywhere. It made more sense for me to just buy those pieces rather than pay somebody to like rent furniture that then I have to give back, and then it's just like you don't have any furniture still when you move into another house. So we are gonna be doing like some furniture shopping and stuff. I will definitely document that on like TikTok and stuff, like in more short form style content. But if you guys want to see anything like that over here, please let me know and I can do that as well. But I do have so many makeup videos coming because there has been so many new launches and I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to film with it. But I was like, I need to sit down, tell the girlies what's up, then we can try out all the new launches and stuff. But yeah, that has been a little bit of the most stressful part, is just like getting everything together, especially with having Carter. Like I wanted at least for him to be all set up. So we have like literally all his toys. The 2 rooms that are basically done are his, and then there's like a playroom that we have like a bunch of toys and books and all that stuff for him, because I'm like, I want his environment to be perfect, and then I'll stay on the floor. I don't even care. We did get a bed though a couple of days ago, thank goodness. So we do have that, no longer in a mattress on the floor anymore. One thing we do desperately need is a couch. So if y'all have any couch recommendations, please let me know. I really, going in store to furniture stores just like gives me so much anxiety because they always like, I feel like they follow me whenever I go. Maybe this was just my experience when we bought our other house in New Jersey and like we went furniture shopping like in store. It was like, I felt like they were like hawking us at the furniture stores we went to, and we couldn't even look like without them. It's like, I will let you know if I need help. Like, and I used to work in retail. I totally get it. I know like what it's like, and they're just trying to be helpful, but I'm like the type of person where I like to just like look on my own, and then when I need help, I will seek you out and ask you for help. So I get so much anxiety like going into like furniture and couch stores because I'm just like, oh my goodness. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations in store or online for where to get a couch, because that is one thing that we for sure do need. This is the Sumptuous Extreme mascara from Estee Lauder, and it is so nice. It really makes my lashes kind of stand out, which I like. They're like literally white. I need to get them tinted, but I gotta find like all my new beauty places. I got my nail salon, which I feel like my nails came out fabulous. That's one thing that's so interesting about here, is like I feel like it's interesting because New Jersey is like such a densely populated place, and there is so much stuff obviously, but there's so much more stuff here. Like when I searched nail salon, there was like literally 100 options, and I'm like, I don't even know how to, like, how do you choose? I got some mascara on my upper lid, little chip, let it fully dry, then use a Q-tip and it'll flake right off. So I'm gonna just let that sit and kind of marinate till it dries, and then I'll get it off with a little Q-tip. I think this is all I'm gonna do for my makeup today, just kind of natural. I think we're just gonna actually run to the beach today once Carter gets up from his nap. He's napping now. So I don't need too much makeup, but easy and put together, and at least the complexion is complexioning like so good. But yeah, that is the life update, you guys. Let me know if you want to see any sort of like Florida type vlogs, home related content and stuff like that. Lots of good videos coming up, but glad we got to sit down and just chat. I can update you guys on what's been going on. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.